In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make custom folder icons in Windows 11. Customizing your folder icons is a simple way to make your computer feel more personal and to stay organized visually. Maybe you want all your work folders in one color, your media folders in another, or you just want a unique look for your desktop. I'll walk you through the core idea step by step so you can confidently change any folder icon you like. First, decide which folder you want to customize. This can be a folder on your desktop, in your documents, or anywhere else on your system. Make sure it's a folder you actually use, so the new icon will help you recognize it more quickly. Next, you'll need the icon you want to use. Windows works best with ICO files, which are standard icon files. If you only have an image, like a PNG or JPG, you can use any reputable online converter to turn that image into an ICO file. Save your finished icon somewhere easy to find, such as a dedicated icons folder in your documents, so you can reuse it later. Now, right-click on the folder you want to change. From the menu that appears, select Properties. This opens a window with several tabs along the top. Click on the Customize tab. This is where Windows lets you adjust how the folder looks and behaves. Near the bottom of the Customize tab, you'll see a section called Folder Icons, with a button labeled Change Icon. Click that button. A new window will open, showing a selection of default Windows icons. If you like one of these, you can simply choose it and press OK. But to use your custom icon, click the Browse button instead. In the file browser that appears, navigate to the location where you saved your ICO file. Click on the icon file, then click Open. You'll now see your chosen icon appear in the list. Select it, click OK, and then in the Properties window, click Apply, and then OK again. You should now see your folder instantly update with the new icon. If it doesn't change right away, try clicking on the desktop or pressing F5 to refresh. You can repeat this process for as many folders as you like, using different icons to create a clear visual system. That's all you need to start creating custom folder icons in Windows 11 and make your workspace both more functional and more personal.